QSP and Hawkeseal are two-part epoxy putties designed for potting Hawke barrier glands. These instructions apply to the standard Hawkeseal and QSP compounds. Always use the gloves supplied when handling the compound. If any compound comes into contact with the skin, it should immediately be cleaned off with skin cleaner. It should not be allowed to dry on the skin. Hawkeseal or QSP is supplied in a two-part package. The compound should be mixed in a 1:1 ratio until the colours have blended into one. Rolling and folding is the most effective way to achieve an even blend. The cable gland should already be prepared for putty compound installation as per the assembly instructions. Tip: during gland installations, we recommend removing the rubber resin dam before installing the spigot or Diablo components. Slide the entry and pot away from the spigot. Any armour clamping device should already be engaged here as per the gland assembly instructions. Spread the cable cores and pack the compound between the cores. Tip: a cylindrical shape is the best way to ensure that the compound is effectively packed between the cores. Once all the gaps and voids have been filled, bring the conductors back together. Tape the conductors together to prevent disturbance of the compound seal whilst packing. Pack more compound around the outside of the conductors. Shape the compound using the palm of your hand. Tip: the compound should form a cone shape to aid installation and reduce the risk of voids during pot installation. Pass the compound pot over the packed compound, ensuring it's 3/4 of the way down to maintain an even fill throughout and to fill any voids. Fit the entry pot and press down to push the compound chamber towards the armour clamping spigot. Remove any surplus compound, particularly where the compound pot meets the spigot, and continue to press down until the compound pot sits correctly on the spigot component. Immediately remove the entry and inspect the compound for voids. This is the compound prior to installation in the entry. It has not been cured. Repair before the compound cures, pushing more compound down into the pot if necessary. Place the entry over the silicone pot to ensure it is held in the correct shape. Screw up the gland hand tight. Roll the surplus compound and seat it on the cable. Once this has cured, the cable gland is ready for installation. Tip: refer to the Hawkeseal or QSP packaging or assembly instructions for curing times. Once the compound is fully cured, the cores can be manipulated and the system can be energized.